In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printify to your Ecwid store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into this step-by-step process, and by the end, you'll be well on your way to setting up your online print-on-demand business with ease. First, let's talk about what Printify is. For those of you who may not know, Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create custom designs and have them printed on a wide variety of products, from shirts and mugs to phone cases, and more. Integrating Printify with Ecwid can really streamline your operations, making it easier than ever to fulfill orders and expand your product offerings. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have both your Printify and Ecwid accounts set up. If you haven't created your Ecwid account yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you have that set up, do the same for Printify. With both accounts ready, the next step is to connect Printify with your Ecwid store. The process for doing this is straightforward, so don't worry. First, log into your Printify account. Once you're logged in, look for the Manage My Stores option on the left sidebar. Click on that, and you'll see an option for adding a new store. You'll want to choose Ecwid from the list of options available. Now you'll need to authorize Printify to connect with your Ecwid account. In this step, Printify will redirect you to your Ecwid login page. Go ahead and log in using your Ecwid store credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a prompt asking to grant access to Printify. This is crucial for the integration to work, so make sure you accept this request. If for some reason you encounter an error during this step, double-check your login credentials and try again. Once you've successfully connected Printify to your Ecwid store, you'll be returned to Printify's dashboard. This is where you can start adding products. Click Create a Product to get started. You'll see a huge array of products available, from apparel to home decor. Select the product type you'd like to customize. Now, let's say you choose a t-shirt. Click on that option and you'll be taken to a design page. Upload your custom design or use the design tools provided within Printify to create your artwork. Make sure your design meets the required specifications for print quality and dimensions. Printify generally provides those guidelines right on the design interface. Once you're happy with your design, you'll want to set your pricing. Printify allows you to set a retail price, which is important because this is how you'll generate profit. Be mindful of your production costs, so make sure to set a price that covers those while still appealing to your customers. After setting everything up, hit the Publish button. This is where the magic happens. Your new product will now be made available in your Ecwid store. You'll get confirmation that your product is successfully added, and you can start seeing it in your Ecwid catalog. It's a good idea to go back to your Ecwid store to preview how the product looks on your site. Make any necessary adjustments to your product description and images to make sure everything is aligned with your branding and looks professional. And there you go! You've successfully added Printify to your Ecwid store. Now you can start promoting these products, and when someone places an order, Printify takes care of printing and shipping it directly to your customer. This allows you to focus more on marketing and sales and less on inventory management. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And remember, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching,